What's up? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Today we're going to watch a dyno pull on this 2022 GT500. It has our stage 1 package. It's going to lay down over 780 rollable horsepower. So we're going to watch that dyno pull. We are going to go down, take a look at the mods and how we got there. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, notify us if today. Doug's with me. Let's go check it out. Now, if you have more questions about the parts I'm getting ready to show you, you can just open that description. All the links you can click on to go right down, read more about it. We are located in Indiana. You can email quote@brenspeed.com. What's this cost to get installed? So I love the new GT500s. We have the JLT big air induction system. Our package comes with ID 1050 fuel injectors, the BMP fuel reel. He also added the BMP throttle body. You get the 2.8 pulley. We did some cooling mods too. So we have our Brenspeed upgraded heat exchanger. We have the Whipple intercooler brick in there. That's a cool setup. Like I said, in that description, open it, click on it, read a lot more about it. But right now, check out this dyno pull. Okay, something I didn't mention is this is a 93 octane car. So what's the next step after this? Well, you could do like a 4 return style fuel system, 85, add more boost. That's where you're gonna get this power up. But DynoJet SAE, smoothing 5, 787 roll horsepower, peaking right at 8,000 RPM. Torque comes in 628, peaking at 5,000. I love that. These are awesome cars. Let's take one more look at this, Doug. So like I said, we're in Indiana. You can email quote@brenspeed.com. What's something like this cost to get installed? We can let you know. You include your phone number. We simply just send you a text with that quote. That's pretty much all for today. Leave a comment if you have questions. Happy to answer. And I will put a link at the end of this. You can just click on right in the video. More other GT500 videos. Thanks for watching.